Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out a powerful travel networking device, the NETGEAR Nighthawk M7 5G Mobile Hotspot, MH7150, a portable Wi-Fi 7 router designed to deliver ultra-fast internet almost anywhere in the world. One of the biggest highlights of this device is Wi-Fi 7 technology, offering wireless speeds of up to 3.6 gigabits per second. That means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free video calls even when multiple devices are connected. The hotspot uses 5G and 4G LTE connectivity and works with both eSIM and physical SIM cards, giving you flexible options to connect with major carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile. Because it's fully unlocked, you can use local SIM cards or global eSIM plans when traveling internationally. Another major advantage is its global coverage in over 140 countries. Through the NETGEAR mobile app and built-in eSIM marketplace, you can easily purchase and activate international data plans directly from the device without signing long-term contracts. Performance is impressive as well. The hotspot can connect up to 32 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for families, teams, or travelers who need internet for phones, laptops, tablets, and smart devices at the same time. The device also features a built-in battery that lasts up to around 10 hours, plus a compact and lightweight design that's easy to carry in a bag or pocket. Security features like WPA3 encryption, firewall protection, and automatic firmware updates help keep your connection safe wherever you are. Overall, the NETGEAR Nighthawk M7 is a premium portable hotspot that delivers next-generation Wi-Fi 7 speeds, global connectivity, and flexible SIM options, making it ideal for travelers, remote workers, and anyone who needs reliable internet on the go. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.